So hello everybody, I'm back with another video. So in this video we'll be talking about template literals and I'll be showing you strings. So template literals are basically strings that you can use to show a value or you can write a sentence in the console. So it's much easier using those single quote and just those pluses. They are damn confusing. So this is going to be an easier way to show values with strings. So let us learn this. In yesterday's video I showed you guys that coding challenge, so if you have any doubts please write it in the comment. So let's get started. So first of all I'll define a variable known as first name. So basically I'll enter my few details. You can also do the same, or else you can do it for anything. Suppose you like anything, you can do anything that you want. I like to give my information, so I'll give my information here. Yeah, so I'll give it as developer. Yeah, then I will show as birth year is equal to 2010. Then now today's year is 2021. You can see over here 2021. Yeah, so now I'm going to make a variable of my name that gives the sentence. Then we're going to log that sentence to the console. So yeah, I'm going to make it like I am, then first name, then my job is, then I'm going to give job. So make sure to give it dollar then curly braces so it indicates a variable. Then my job is, and I am, suppose, then we need to calculate the age, so we're going to make it now minus birth year. Yeah, so this much information is enough, I think. Now console.log Achintya, my variable name. Yeah, so perfect. You can see that I am Achintya, my job is developer, and I am 11 years old. Yeah, you can see that I am 11 years old. So this helps you to write a sentence like this, and it's very good, and yeah, it's very helpful method. Suppose if you want to write the same sentence with using those single quote, it will be damn confusing. Like you write first, give these I, then am, then you need to come out of this, then give a plus, then again you need to write I am Achintya. So you can see that like this it's very confusing and it takes a lot to write. So this method is good. These are known as template literals. Now the next thing that comes is that how you can write them in a different line. Like suppose if you want to write something different, so for that we are going to use console.log then template literal. You can see that before there's one key, you just got to press it and you'll get these symbol. Then write I, then give an enter, am Achintya. So you'll see that I will be in a different line and am Achintya will be a different line. You can see that I am Achintya is in a different line and am Achintya is in a different line. Suppose I want to write like console.log. Now you can write like first I, then am, then then developer. You'll see that each sentence of a part is in different line. You can see that I am a developer. So this is the way that template literals can help you. Now the next thing that we are going to do is an exercise. So basically what we have learned we should know. So now your task is to basically write the countries and its population and your name. So like I'll do it const. First I got to write the country. Suppose my country is India. You can write your country. It's not necessary that you need to write India only. Country. Then you can write like population suppose your population is 70,000, so yeah, 70,000, then const name. My name I am going to write over here Achintya. So now we should write this I am Achintya, so console.log, and I'll just remove these because they'll create a confusion. Yeah, so first template literals, then I am, then name, I am Achintya, and then I live in, you need to give it like country. Yeah, you need to give the country. I live in this country, then and the population, and population is, give the population 70,000. So now I'm going to close this, and you can see that I am Achintya and I live in India and the population is 70,000. So you can use template literals in this way. So this was an exercise, basically like that coding challenge we done, but this was not a challenge, this was an exercise. And make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends if you like this video. And can we aim 10 likes for this video? If we get 10 likes for the video, then it will be very helpful for me and I will be very happy. So please make this video to reach 10 likes, and bye bye.